one, four. Hi everyone, remember. Hi everyone. I'm 6 years old. Hi everyone. I'm Lucy. Now, now it's been raining all. Now it's been raining, so we didn't go outside. But you will ask me why I play outside if we could not play outside because I don't know to answer because we have to talk about this video. So mommy wanted to talk outside. So after the talk, we will go back home and you know me, take a bath. So for some reason nowadays in my dad my daddy didn't come back home for lunch because he has lost work, so he took lunch at the place he worked. So he didn't come back home afternoon. Afternoon he will come back home. He has some important tests coming because he has for tattoo. So she's eating and I have no kids. I want that too, please. No. So tiny. Just too tiny. Not enough for me to eat. This cake is super delicious. I must admit. If you talk about cakes, I love every cake. But for the last few years, I didn't like cakes that have cream with it. So mommy bought me no cream cakes that I must eat. And when I found out that the middle of it was flavored cream. I didn't eat the middle. I just eat the corner around the corner, and when this is the last, I just close my eye and put the cake to my mouth. And when I eat that, it feels like I was going on a roller coaster. It's not yummy at all. It's super nasty, and now I didn't want any cream. Eating cake just my favorite food. But when I eat things and I have to eat my favorite food, and it was yummy, and the food I liked was supposed to be many of the things. I like some vegetables, but very few of them. And so now it's getting windy, and my sister's favorite, she didn't eat any vegetable at all. She just wanted to no vegetable and no. Every time we had dinner or lunch, Dad said eat more vegetable, but she didn't eat any. I always have a bowl full of vegetable, and that I can get strong and healthier. And you can see all in my house we have trees, like mango tree and many other trees because our family loves growing tree. And the other lives, we are in the countryside, so my grandpa and my dad love trees. My dad loves many trees, and my mom's too. My grandpa loves flowers, or some of the trees that have fruit that master. This is my grandpa bought it from years ago, and we have many trees because our home garden is not too big at all, but we have to use spaces equally so that we can grow many trees. For now, here we have many of the trees now, like peach. Then we have other like some other trees too, and my mother and we have ginger too, and my mother sometimes plant mints and many other trees that I and you and I may like. So, and I'll like a few of the vegetables, but not all of them. And my grandma is a farmer, so she grows vegetable and fruits like guava. Sometimes in sometimes brought she brought other things to home too, and it was really good. My mother, my grandmother, my grandmother, my grandma, and so my grandma, my grandma also did. So my grandma is a football option. Like she's growing guava and not many things, but just guava. She's selling guavas at the market, and she has good pay. And my grandfather do something just driving officer to the hospital, and I'm really proud of them. And my uncles and aunts, they my uncle is an engineer, and my aunt, I don't know what she's doing, but she is a lot of like designer. Yeah, they have two sons. There are my younger brothers, and my mother and father do the teacher things. Like my mother do physics, and my father do math. He really like they all, and I think they're a good person, helping children going more the studies, and helping children with the study is their job. So now it's been raining all the way I talk for the start to the end. So it's raining and I was getting cold, and so now I wanted to go to take a bath because I may catch a cold. So goodbye everyone, see you later. Don't forget to